This is the 3-minute review brought to you by MB EDC. Let's not waste any more time, let's get to it. This is the Richartz Key Tool Shop, and it's an amazing mini multi-tool with 14 functions in such a small format. I'll quickly go through the key features of this multi-tool, and then if you hang around till the end, I'll go through the strange story of how I came to get it. It has a small Phillips driver, a small flathead driver, and then in the middle there's a large flathead driver, so this will be good for camera tools. There's a keyring hole as well. This is the cap lifter and it works really well, and you can see it has a very small ruler, 3 centimeters. Here's the trolley key which replaces the token. You can see it's been engraved with water for water cutting tools. Looking at the other side, we can see another small ruler. It's an inch ruler. In fact, it's just 1 inch and it's in 1/8 of an inch. You can also see the hex drivers. So there's a 4mm, a 3mm, and then a 5, 6, 7, and 8mm. So this will work on hex nuts. Looking at the dimensions, we can see that it's 7 centimeters long, which is 2 3/4 inches. It's 3 centimeters at the widest point, which is 1 1/4 inches, and it's 2 millimeters thick. The weight is 16 grams or 0.6 ounces. Looking at this Richartz mini tool next to my Gerber shard, you can see they're very similar sizes, but actually this has more tools. I really like the Gerber shard, but sometimes it sticks in my pocket because of that pry bar part that sticks out. And here it is next to my Midnight Manager, which is my favorite Swiss Army knife and the one that I carry with me all the time. One of the best things about this multi-tool is that it's so thin, it fits in my minimalist card wallet. You can see it's about the thickness of 2 credit cards, and it's easy to pull out when I need it. It saves me having to carry one of those awful trolley tokens, and I never have a pound to fit in the trolley. So all in all, this could be a very useful multi-tool. How did I come by this multi-tool? Well, my son George found it stuck in a shopping trolley when he was shopping. He had to hunt around to find a trolley that he could unlock and then use to unlock this one and get it back. When he saw it, he thought of me, and I'm glad he did because I really like it. It's a great little multi-tool. It actually feels really smooth, whereas a lot of these flat tools are quite sharp. I think it's one that I'm going to use a lot. So thanks to George. If you haven't already, why not subscribe? It really helps me to know that I'm making the right sort of content. I've got loads more already. Why not check out this video or this playlist? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.